how are you doing today? I thought I would show you how I make really good green smoothie that can cleanse your body and that actually tastes good, that doesn't taste like grass, you know. It's really good detoxifying smoothie that we're gonna make today, and I'll show you some tips. I'll share some tips with you how you can make it really good and sweet and delicious. And basically I have a rule when making a smoothie, like rule, yeah. I try to use not more than 3 fruits. I try not to blend more than 3 ingredients, like 3 fruits or 3 veggies and three herbs or salads, for example spinach. If you mix too much, it's gonna be really the texture is not gonna be good, taste is gonna be just too much. So I'll just show you how I do it and then you can see how you like to do it. So for this smoothie we're gonna use spinach, so I have rinsed and washed some spinach. The thing with the spinach, you can use some other leaves, some other green leaves, but if you use spinach then you should be aware of it's gonna create a lot of taste, and that kind of taste which it creates is usually too grassy. I think it tastes like too green for me, for my taste. It doesn't really taste so sweet, so I try to put not more than 1 handful of spinach and then I see how it's gonna taste. Does it taste alright? Okay, then we add a little bit more. I have a little kitten here. I wanna say hello to you guys. Hey guys, how are you doing? So back to the spinach. Let's add 1 handful of spinach. Just make sure you rinse it really well and take off all the leaves that really smells bad, that really doesn't look so good. So we only try to add the best ingredients that you can find. So let's add 1 handful of spinach. And then when it comes to sweetener, you can use pear, which is make it really sweet, and it also creates a creamy texture. So I like to use pear a lot, but it should be soft and ripe. Then you can also use banana, which will also create a smooth consistency, but for today I like to make it as green as possible. So you can see that I use only the green ingredients, so I will just drop the banana and I will see if it's sweet enough, then it's okay. If not, then I will add the banana later. So we have pear. You can also add kiwi. Kiwi also creates good texture, but it can be a little bit bulky if you add too much. So be also careful how much kiwi you add. And I try to eat 1 avocado a day at least. That's not more than 1 avocado, like big like this. It's enough, more than enough for you to get all the healthy fat stuff. And so for 2 people I use 1 big avocado. It really creates creamy texture. So I'm gonna use avocado as well. And the apple. The thing with the apple, it really creates bulky consistency. If you have ever made a green smoothie and it's like pouring like plop like this, that's because of maybe too much apple, too much kiwi and something like this. And one more thing that I add is matcha. You can add matcha, you can add spirulina, you can add some other superfoods into it, and oil. Actually you can add some flaxseed oil, for example, or coconut oil, just to make it a little bit more fatty and creamy. Let's get into it, right? Okay, we have spinach. I'll just quickly cut the pear. Just check that you don't have any bugs or insects. So just take her out. And the more sweet your pears are, the more sweet your smoothie gonna be, and the more you're gonna love it yourself. So add the pear. I think one pure is more than enough usually. It becomes really sweet, and I don't like smoothies that are too sweet, and don't really like that much sweetener, but it's up to you. And I'm just gonna add half of the apple, I think, not too much. Let's see if that is enough, and let's try to add kiwi, one kiwi at a time, just to see how it's getting. And like right now I'm creating a green detox course for you, yeah, green yogic detox course, and there's a lot of recipes on smoothies that you can make, which is really healthy, where I use a lot of leaves and herbs and yeah, many kind of different smoothies that you're gonna learn how to make. So this is one of those I really like a lot. It's easy, simple, you don't really need that many ingredients. So just add one, and then we'll see how it's gonna go. Also, let's add some matcha. And matcha has also a lot of flavor, a lot of taste that can make it really ruin your smoothie. So just add little bits at a time and then see what dominates. Yeah, if matcha dominates, then you have to add something else, right? So just little bits at a time, just add 1 teaspoon. Let's see what happens. Yeah, apple. And just a second, I'm gonna look for an oil, what my mom have here. Oh, nice, I found hemp oil. Really perfect. It's green and natural. Oh my, it has really nutty smell, beautiful. You can actually add hemp seeds to it, some other superfood, but yeah, as said, I like to add 3 fruits and 3 other things and maybe some leaves. Also not more than 3 types of leaves. So just add, oh, that was maybe a little bit too much. Okay, right, a little bit of water. Not too much because I like it creamy. I don't like it too juicy. Alright. Then we can blend it up. Okay, so let's try it. Try to see it. It's okay with everything and the taste is good. Looks good. It's definitely sweet enough, and the kiwi dominates a little bit. But the taste, actually, I think it's perfect, really. But you can see, you can taste that the kiwi dominates a little bit, even though I had just 1 kiwi inside, then maybe just half of the kiwi next time. And I don't really taste the apple at all. I don't taste the avocado, so it's perfect mixed, I think. Right. So feel free to add a little bit of spirulina, maybe a little bit more of matcha, and otherwise I'm pretty satisfied. So guys, make some smoothies. It's gonna be, if you have problems with digestive system, I mean, if you drink 1 green smoothie a day, you can just rinse it all out, and you're gonna feel amazing because it really cleanses and detoxifies your body. It brings and balances your digestive system. So feel free to try it out once in a while or every single day, at least especially for women. It is recommended to drink 1 green smoothie a day because women need chlorophyll, and all the green leafy stuff has a lot of chlorophyll. So if you are a woman, so definitely make 1 green smoothie a day. Yeah, otherwise just enjoy from time to time. Okay, thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day. I will try to share this recording with you later. Have a wonderful day. Satnam.